So why is 6 afraid of 7?
Because 7, 8, 9. Yun. It's been a while. We're back.
So why is 6 afraid of 7?
Because 7, 8, 9. And true enough, kahit nakalagpas na si 6, nalagpasan na si 7, takot pa rin siya.
Takot nga siya.
Kasi ang baliktad ng 6 is 9. So baka mapagkamalan siya.
Never thought of it that way. That's amazing.
Anyway, yung baliktaran na yung sinasabi natin, just so happen na gusto namin pag-usapan kasi ngayon is yung 7. Anything to do with 7 because it's the 7th episode. Well, technically, sarami ng mga pinost namin.
7?
Hindi lang 7 episodes, pang 21 na ata.
Hindi. Ano ka dyan?
Pero
Pang 7.
7 ito, pagdating doon sa minamark namin, as yung kaming dalawang nag-usap. Pero mga post na nakalagay dito sa YouTube channel ng OA is
Around 10. So,
more than 7 episodes already.
yeah.
Sa mga reflections sa kayo,
Shorts are not counted as videos. Kasi
yung mga na-post ko na mahiling boses. Anyway, we're supposed to do a post Mother's Day
kind of
vlog, pagpugay sa mga nanay, sa mother. Siyempre, sa family namin, sa small family namin, siya yun, yung mother. So, again, happy Mother's Day. I believe Mother's Day is every day.
giving.
So, nung nag-celebrate siya, we also would like to thank din si
My daughter.
our daughter, our eldest daughter. She treated us sa Mother's Day treat. We'd like to assume na, siyempre, bilang family, kasama na rin yung Father's Day doon na celebration. Anyway, when we talk about 7, ang daming associated sa 7. Other than Ace joke kanina, ando doon din yung we always hear yung when it comes to yung relationship ng mag-asawa or couples for that matter, meron tayong 7-year age. May 7th heaven, may lucky 7, may
7 deadly sins.
7 deadly sins,
Apparently,
and
kung may
the world was completed
in like 7
in
days.
7 days. And pinalat ni God yung 7th day as the rest day o yung holy day, kaya yung Sunday Mass. Then as far as 7 deadly sins,
7 angels also.
yes, we also have yung number of chances para sa pagpatawad, the forgiveness, no?
7 times.
Sabi is 70
70
times 7. May nagsasabing 7 times 7. Meron din sa book ni Luke is 7 times in a day. Pero parang imposible namang magkasala ang isang tao sa iyo ng 7 times sa isang araw.
Possible.
But the point there is, sa rami ng mga version, may limit. Hindi ibig sabihin na parang walang hanggan yon dahil ang dami na hindi ka naman magkakasala ng ganong karami. Well, come to think of it, parang symbolism yun, no? Na may limit yon na hindi naman pwede tayong magkasala na magkasala. Ang importante dyan, the mere fact na may limit, kailangan makapaghingi tayo ng tawad in time, di ba? Na hindi huli ang lahat. So, speaking of forgiveness, no, the reason why we mentioned kanina yung number of episodes already, no? Kasi ang OA podcast basically started early this year. But OA, for that matter, kami as vloggers and online people started way back 2008. Actually, even prior to that, we've been in the blogosphere already. And then, pag magsa-search kayo ng OA, may mga kapareho na quite recently ikinagalit ng
Ginagalit. Hindi mo nagalit. Na naanoy lang
Na-
ako, syempre.
may connection doon sa sinasabi ko kanina about forgiveness. Are we going to let go? Are we going to do something about it? Sa akin kasi,
Let go na.
kahit nasabihin mong imitation is the best form of flattery, I'm not even going to go there. Hindi ko rin i-justify yon. Kasi for me, we're not claiming na amin to exclusively. Because it's a common thing. Okay,
It's a
it's a common,
Filipino
yeah.
term.
Pero we capitalized on that because it just so happened that I'm O,
And
she's A, and we're the OA couple. So, but kung ano man yung representation na yun, yung symbolism, or kung ano yung connotation that goes with it, I don't want to lay claim na it's ours and ours alone. Para sa akin kasi, everybody's free to use it. Depende na kung paano gagamitin. As much as whatever it is that we have, wala naman talagang atin . Lahat yan, sa Diyos yan . We owe everything to the Lord na parang hindi siya atin. Intellectual property yan, yung talino natin, yung wisdom natin, yung ano meron tayo, material yan, o hindi, secular or non-secular. It's not ours.
So, okay lang na magpaka-OA tayo lahat.
Yeah. Oo. So, in a way, other than yung mga yun na gusto namin pag-usapan, as a couple naman, nalagpasan na rin kasi namin yung 7-year
we
itch.
Do you even notice was there like a feeling of like an itch that you needed to use?
Sa amin lang kasi, every time we feel naman itch na, kinakamot namin.
It's weird. Parang I don't think we ever went through a
Nangangati
phase
kami sa
na
isa't
parang-
isa.
Hindi, pero, di ba, yung 7-year itch is supposedly yung pag nagka-sawan kayo or something like that. I don't think did we have a phase like that? Parang, I cannot recall. Nga, matagal na kami. 24 years na kami this year together. Di ba? Pero, parang hindi. Parang, well, sa akin, walang ganun. Sa iba, meron.
I think dyan,
Kati. Wow, ang tagal mag-isip.
sa akin kasi it's more of how you see it, how you look at things na
But the question is, did you have an itch? Like, an
It
itch
could-
pertaining to, like,
it
you
could-
wanted to get out.
it could actually come in different forms. Kasi kami, marami kaming ganon na actually sa totoo lang. I mean, I'm not only speaking for myself. Siguro in general kami dalawa or kahit sa kanya na both ways nakaramdam kami nung inis sa isa't isa na talagang parang
Araw, hindi ko.
na kung pwede, kung maghiwalay kami, walang problema. Okay lang. Ano yung ganon?
It's
But we never resorted to that.
kasi totoo talaga yung sinasabi nila. You choose to be with your partner. Kasi, di ba, pipiliin, choice mo yun eh. Kung gusto mo, pwede naman kami maghiwalay. Like, sige, bye. Good riddance. Ganun. Pero,
Yeah.
yung choice nga na, hindi, wag, di ba? Like, we're in this for the long haul, kumbaga. So, totoo yun, yung you have to choose each other. Kasi, the minute you stop choosing each other, yun na. That's when the itch comes
Ayun
in.
na. Go.
That's when temptations are, kumbaga, stronger than whatever is keeping you in the relationship. So, could
Yeah.
be stronger than love din, di ba?
Going back to yung sinasabi ko about forgiveness, no? Kami, ando dun yung conscious effort to forgive each other kung ano man yung nagawa. Siguro right now, pwede namin yung sabi na nagpapasalamat na lang kami na walang mabigat na problema or naging kasalanan para hindi patawarin. Pero at least napatawad namin ang isa't isa kung ano man yung mga naging
Yung mga
kasalanan.
lapses, like,
Oo, yung mga minsan hindi naman talaga kasalanan eh, pero yun na nga.
given, like a given
Failure,
yeah.
or yun na nga, may mga issues na siguro magkaiba kami ng pananaw, yung mga
Which is all the time.
bagay, yeah. That's why we're OA, opposites attract. But anyway, speaking of yung forgiveness na yun, yung 7 na associated sa 7 na yun, pag pinagsama mo yung add and even, parang yun yung 7. Add is even. So, add is even is add 7. The number is odd na no matter what it is na pinagdadaanan ninyo, as odd as it may, ano man, or sound or what, it will be evened out as long as mag-decide kayo na magpatawaran. And behind yung kapatawaran na yan, andyan yung understanding, andyan yung patience, and more than anything else, andyan yung faith nyo sa Panginoon. So, it's a perfect number, di ba? Kaya siguro may 7th heaven. Or
They're
something.
like, allegedly, when I googled it, they're like 7 heavens. Parang ganun. Like, marang may levels.
May 7 angels.
In the same way na
May
in
7
hell, there are
deities.
like 7 parang layers. Ganun. So, I guess, kaya 7 heavens. Kasi nga, depende kung siguro gano'n kakabait. Igugugat ko ulit. Pero, hindi sure, parang nadaanan ko na.
I-correct, or magsabi lang kayo ng opinion nyo, lalo na sa aming mga Chinese friends dyan, no? Kung gaano nga kaswerte 7. Kasi sa Chinese,
Although sa
swerte is
3,
8, di ba?
3 and 8.
Yeah, kasi paalit eh. And it's eternal, di ba? Whereas ang 7, flat na nga,
pababa.
tapos pababa pa. So, parang ang malas.
Depende yan
Pero,
sa culture talaga.
yeah, and depende yan. Kasi, yun na nga, gaya naman na pag-usapan natin kanina, no? The world was completed by God in 7 days.
Allegedly.
Di ba?
According to the Bible.
Yeah, I believe that. Faith is believing that. Kahit hindi mo makita, allegedly would be parang disrespectful naman.
Hindi naman disrespectful. Pero my point is the Bible.
Yun, kasi ano, magkasalungat na naman.
The Bible has been rewritten over and over, like so many times. It comes from a literal dead language.
Well, anyway, speaking of the scripture, no,
I talk about
yun
your
na nga.
book first.
Yeah. Alam niyo, nakakagulat eh. Ngayon ko lang nalaman when we were about to talk about this subject about 7, no. Yung sinulat kong first 2 books, yung Book of Us saka yung St. Angelo's Fire, nagkataon na sa chapter 7 ng bawat book may napag-usapan regarding the 7. Sa chapter 7 ng book 1, napag-usapan doon yung pagiging 7th day na na-complete, and then of course kung ano man yung other 7 things like the forgiveness, kasi napag-usapan sa chapter 1 is yung forgive and forget. by forgive and forget, 4 words yun na hindi 2 words. For, para sa give at para sa get. Forgive and forget. Napag-usapan doon. Chapter 7 yun. Sa chapter 7 sa St. Angelo's Fire na book na sinulat natin, oo.
Hindi ko.
Ando doon yung napag-usapan niya yung how many times are you supposed to forgive sa chapter 7 din. 7 times 7. I mean, anything to do with
There's
7.
still
70 times 7. Yung mga
But
ganun.
the
So,
point is, there is a limit.
as much as ang mundo was created in 7 days. So parang may divine intervention somehow or in some way na the seventh chapter speaks about yon. Na I think kung pagtutuunan natin ng pansin yung how strong our relationship is, considering the fact that we're OA, as in opposites attract, talagang magkasalungat kami sa maraming bagay.
But I'm not evil.
It's all about forgiveness. And of course, gaya ng sinabi natin kanina, pagdating sa forgiveness, andyan yung understanding, yung patience, di ba?
Opposite to a point, not super opposites. There are some things that we agree on.
Yeah, oo naman. Hindi naman mawawala.
So he's not like the good person and I'm like the evil.
Yeah,
Hindi.
oo. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, siguro ako sa sariling pag-amin, if ever,
Who's the nicer
may
person?
inis din ako sa sarili ko pag alimbawa I see myself as the other person I'm dealing with. Baka mainis din ako eh. Diba? So that's why minsan I understand
Kung ba't ako niinis eh.
sobrang nainis siya sa akin, lalo na pag lagi akong tama. Yun.
There are some instances where you were wrong, but I didn't throw it on your face. Na you're wrong or whatever. I could have. But,
Speaking of
being in a relationship, yun na nga, sabi nga sa Corinthians, di ba? About love, you don't count the wrongs. Di ba? Love is patient, love is kind.
alam mo,
You
yun
don't
na
count the
nga.
wrongs.
Sa amin kasi, no? Sa amin ang wrong. Ang opposite niya is not yung correct. It's right.
Because there's a difference.
Yeah, I mean, sa relationship namin, meron kasing correct way. Pero come to think of it, yung correct way based on siguro, like for example, may certain principles or laws tayong sinusunod, kung ano yung nakalagay doon, yung guideline doon, yun yung correct way. Pero minsan, you don't feel right about it. So yung wrong namin, instead of ang magiging opposite niya is yung correct, para ito correct natin kahit na it doesn't feel right. So we'd rather see it as yung right one. Kasi that way, you know, it's the right thing to do other than we feel right about it. For example, meron kaming hindi pagkakasunduan, pagtatalo kami. And the right thing to do is manahimik na lang. Pero the correct way is, hindi, pag-usapan natin. Minsan, hindi na ganun eh.
Oh, wag.
Yung sinasabi nila na huwag kayong matutulog na hindi nyo nasiset lang bagay.
Sa amin
Isa. Sa akin hindi.
Matutulog
We
kami.
can sleep it.
Like, I need to cool down. I don't wanna talk to you right now. I'm going.
Oh, kasi ando doon din yung confidence namin sa isa't isa na kahit galit kami sa isa't isa, ando doon yung pagmamahal. And I mean sa amin, it's something that we encourage na gawin din yun na or establish na, try to establish that na tanggalin yung pride.
I feel like most
Tanggalin yung
relationships
pride.
talaga, they fail because of the pride eh.
Oo, yung pride na yun, understandable yan kasi we've been through that.
At ako super ma-pride.
Yan,
Hindi ako
grabe,
nagsusorry.
sobra. Oo.
Ayoko nagsusorry. Like, alam ko mali ako. Pero paninindigan ko yun.
Ngayon, dahil ganun siya,
Kailangan niya ako intindihin.
Kahit na hindi ako ganon, hindi rin ako nagsusorry. Kasi pag nagsorry ako, lalo ko
Lalaki yung ulo ko.
ito-tolerate yung ganung
behavior.
gawain. So, pareho kami hindi nagsusorry.
Pero it doesn't mean naman hindi ako mag-a-adjust or hindi din siya mag-a-adjust. Hindi, mag-a-adjust kami sa isa't isa. So, eventually, pakonte-konte, kaya ko nalunukin yung pride ko. Pero, hindi pa din, like, I mean, of course, I would want to be the kind of person na masasabi ko, hindi ako ma-pride or I can swallow my pride. Pero hindi nga kasi totoo yun. Plastic yun.
Well, yun na nga.
Kasi,
Actually,
diba?
yun ang mahirap minsan, lalo na when you're
Exactly.
we're actually listening to yung mga marriage counseling or what's the right thing to do. It's easier said than done.
Exactly.
Hindi naman ganun yun.
In
So,
reality, hindi naman
Yeah. So in reality, what we're trying to tell you is focus on yung mga may hirap na gawin.
exactly.
Like, ano ba pinakamahirap na gawin dyan? Yung mag-ask ng forgiveness,
Nunukin yung
yung
pride.
looking yung pride, yung
Pero kung gusto mo talaga,
aminin na mali ka.
yun pinaka-painful.
I mean, it has something to do with pride na rin naman yun, di ba? Kasi yan,
But it's so
ang
difficult.
hirap yun.
So difficult.
Lalo na,
Pero sa amin kasi hindi kami yung parang, I admit it, or you know,
hindi
I'm
naman kami
sorry.
sweetie.
Parang bigla lang
Alam mo yun,
pag-uusapan namin pag kalmado na kami. Pero casual na lang, in a casual way. Ibig sabihin, magkukwentuhan na lang namin. Tapos marirealize namin how stupid the argument was in the first place.
tatawa na. Ikaw kasi, tapos tatawa na.
I know, it's my fault.
Diba?
Parang ganun. Pero hindi
Pero, somehow, nakatulong na hindi
mainit yung
ma-fan yung flame.
Exactly.
Kumbaga, hindi siya na-trigger lalo na uminit or lumala. Alam mo yung ganon na
Exactly.
I think it's difficult, it's hard, pero I think we will not even claim na nagawa namin or sa hindi.
It's
It was
we're still
through-
doing it.
It was through siguro yung divine intervention
True.
by some miracle because of faith in God. I-raise up ninyo sa Diyos yung relationship ninyo.
And ask for enlightenment. Kung
Yeah.
there's something that you don't see.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, see eye to eye on, like, may issue
Kasi
kayo,
kami
or ay,
ngayon-
magkaiba talaga, ganun. So, pray niyo yung partner niyo, di ba? Like,
Yeah.
I pray for enlightenment para sa akin at sa kanya. Di ba?
Come to think of it, we're still in the process. Pero we would like to share it as early as now.
Could save a relationship.
Yeah, kahit isang
Like, isang
atin, di ba?
Also, shout out kami, may fan kami, isa.
Hindi naman. Viewer. Loyal
very
viewer.
kaming,
Pero,
ano,
yeah.
which
Thank
is
you.
so funny because nagulat.
Shout out kay Miguel. Thank you.
Our sons.
Yeah. Anak na namin, hindi pa nanonood.
I know, right? Pero siya, hindi namin siya anak, pero nanonood siya. So, thank you for, supporting. Maybe encourage Lucas to watch us more often. Because
And
we're like
we
so
don't
good.
want to focus on yung ganon nga na, kasi
Pero going back,
nagkataon na yung sinusulat ko ngayon, yung current book na sinusulat ko ngayon, has something to do with yung will not claim on yung ganyan na, we have good follow. No,
we
it's
just
not
need
about
one
that.
person to influence,
Oh,
baga, walk on the,
yeah, na hopefully, it gets forwarded, it gets shared in the sense na the message, I mean, alam mo yun, yung gano'n na somehow it would mean a lot to us kung alam namin na may nabago because of that. Because yun yung naging effect sa amin, malaking bagay. Yung faithfulness and obedience to God, ang laking bagay. And then again, sinasabi ko nga, we're still in the process of doing that, hindi completely nandoon. I mean, I think naman, you will never get there. It's a continuous process.
for the rest of your life.
Until
it's a
Judgment
conflict.
Day. Yeah. So, basically, yun yung parang gusto lang namin i-focus ngayon because It's been a while. Pasensya na kung sa mga negligible viewers na ano, tagal na hinintay itong next
Tsaka
episode na to.
nawawalan ng traction kasi. Pero na-busy kasi siya sa pagsulat ng libro niya.
Yeah.
Which, by the way, by the time this comes out, I will link it below and you guys can check it out.
Yeah, pero ang daming process eh. Ako,
I can
ganun
just
wala ako
click
sa proper timing. So baka nga, sinasabi ng Diyos, hindi muna, wag muna. But it's a good book. I really hope na once na lumabas, you can support it. Sa mga, I mean, for a small amount, you can buy it online sa ebook. The reason why there's an amount, because we want to raise funds kasi hopefully makapag-produce kami ng hard copy. And then of course, we're trying to come up with whatever it is na pwedeng maging social responsibility behind it, yung mga ganun. Other than of course, the message of the book is very good. Na basically ang religion doon is about love. So,
It's not focused on like one religion.
yeah, so I really hope you can support it once it's out. Nagkataon kasi ngayon madaming process na kailangan
And
asikasuhin.
gusto natin legal tayo, guys.
Yes, oo.
So, oh no. Okay. Yan.
Ayun. Anyway, ano ba yun?
Nag-post
Nag-post ba yun?
I guess. I don't know. I'm super sorry.
Anyway,
Kung yun, sorry guys. Pero yun na, basically.
hindi naman ata kasi tuloy-tuloy yung oras. Anyway, nalobat na, nagkataon si Divine Intervention.
Sabi
Pinatapos
ni
muna.
Lord, kailangan 30 minutes lang.
Yeah, and it's already,
Plus kasi the intro and yun.
yeah. Anyway,
We will be back for more episodes naman. So, yeah. Okay lang yun.
and A here is also busy with her online job. So medyo
Jobs.
yung mga jobs, so medyo nagiging tedious yung editing and all, yung
Scam
oras,
pa ako
lahat.
tapos na-scam pa ako sa drive na nabili ko sa Shopee, which huwag kayo bumili ng hard drive, external hard drive sa Shopee. Hindi siya legit. So, yun. Wag nyo na bibilhin.
Not because,
siya,
well,
hindi siya.
not because it's Shopee. Nagkataon
Nagkataon
tuktong yun.
Alam mo, isi-share ko yung link, wag kayo nagbibili.
Si Shopee is just an avenue. Nagkataon na
Hindi legit. Pero I tried to reach out to the support and they didn't do anything. And they blocked pa my
yun lang yan.
honest
Dapat ng
review.
Shopee. Yeah.
Diba? I left an honest review na it was not a legit product, pero they like hid it, I guess. So, what's up with that, diba? That's shady.
Anyway, I mean, that's just one small problem compared sa mga ibang problema na nakikita natin online about
Kasi
online
realize
shopping na ganyan, no?
Yung
So,
presyo, 600. 600. And allegedly, the number 6 is close to
the devil daw. No? May mga symbolism.
Pero like, may kataon lang ba na 600 lang yung drive? Tapos scam pala. Come on.
So, nagkataon 7 is God's favorite number.
Exactly.
So, 6 is afraid of 7 because 7, 8, 9.
That's crazy.
So anyway,
yun. Kanila na yung 600. 600 lang yun.
It's just about everything na pag-usapan ngayon.
For this episode.
Yeah, so I guess
Thank you guys for, for
Seventh Heaven.
being here.
Yeah, so yun lang. Thank you very much and see you again.